see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm, when the rain is on. We saw no one, we alone. Yeah.
Hi, Mama. Hi. Oh, you give me a sticker? You have a boo-boo? Thank you. Yeah? I know you guys are like, what the hell? Didn't we just see you in the last vlog? You know, you saw me in this clothes in the last vlog because, as I explained, I lost clips and whatever. I had to like quickly film and blah, 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 blah. Anyways, welcome back to the channel, guys. Brand new day. I kind of wasn't vlogging for a bit because I was kind of taking a little break from the vlog life, you know, because sometimes you just need that little break. It's hard to like literally be picking up a camera, vlogging every day. It's not easy, and sometimes you're not doing nothing. So yeah, that's why you guys haven't really been seeing me upload no vlogs. Currently here at home. I just came off the road actually not too long ago because I had to go bring my car to get some parts on it changed and get an oil change. But when I went there, it was the wrong parts that came in, so now I gotta go back tomorrow, which is annoying because that's gas. Okay, that is gas, which means I gotta go back again tomorrow. Well, I feel like I can't even talk. I gotta go back there tomorrow because that's when the parts should come in, and I need those parts on my car to get fixed because my car is moving kind of shaky. I was actually cleaning out underneath my bed because I had literally toys under there, I had shoes under there, I had water bottles under there. Like, I guess because how my bed is, water bottles fell over. So I'm like, you know what, let me clean underneath my bed and get rid of some stuff. So that's what I did. And then I also cleaned out Nyla's dresser, and then I switched her dresser with me and Ziggy's dresser because yeah, I just been doing a lot of like, this is about fall cleaning. I don't even know if you want to call it fall cleaning, but I've been doing a lot of little cleaning and getting rid of stuff. I had to like, there's this box right here with all of Nyla's small clothes because a lot of her clothes she'd be out of, and I just had them in the drawer and they're literally just taking up space. Oh my god, I cannot talk today. Like, what's going on? Word gods, please come and do your thing with my mouth because oh, that don't sound right. Anyways, yeah, her clothes are getting small, and I had a whole bunch of her small clothes in the drawer, which was just taking up unnecessary space. So I took out all her small stuff, and then I had new clothes for her that are fitting her now that I had to put in the drawer because when she was from her baby, what do you call it? From the baby shower, I actually got a lot of clothes and stuff like that, and a lot of her big clothes I had to keep them in a bag downstairs, so I just took those out and put them in the drawer. I feel like that was like tongue twister. Like, what? I feel like I just can't talk today. Yeah, that is what we currently here doing, waiting for Ziggy Bear to come home. He should be home soon. I know they left work a little late today, so he's gonna come home late, but he is on his way home. We haven't really been doing anything, to be honest. This weekend's long. We have a long weekend. It's Thanksgiving, so we're gonna be having a Thanksgiving dinner, and we're just gonna be chilling this weekend. Like I said, it's a long weekend, so we just gonna be chilling out. Not really much to do as per usual. Wait, what just happened here? How come this says 3 minutes now? Sorry, my time on my camera just threw me off. But quick outfit of the day because I have a very chill outfit on. So okay, bro, every time I clean my mirror, shout out to, I don't even understand, but anyways, quick outfit of the day. First of all, shout out to Fashion Nova. They did not send me this, I bought it, but you know, like, honestly guys, Fashion Nova's oversized tees are the ish. Like, I love, you guys see this shit? I need to go wash my hair, but their oversized tees are literally the best. I love their t-shirts. So this is a shirt that I got from them, and then I also got the matching sweatpants to match with it. The only thing I don't like about this sweatpants is that it is a little big. I was like, wait, did I order a men's size? So I had to like fold the waist, but whatever. It's just a quick throw on, like when I have my quick errands to do. I actually have clothes from Fashion Nova. I have a lot of clothes from Fashion Nova that I got over the past couple months. I was supposed to do hauls on them, but I just got real lazy. But maybe I will get on that for you guys. Maybe. Just maybe I will do them. What? Are you making a mess for me? Yeah, you are. Every time I clean up, you're making me a mess to clean up. Really, every time I clean up, Nyla just comes and makes a big mess for me. Sometimes I'm like, what's the point of me even cleaning up? But to the type of person I am, I hate being in a mess. I hate when my bed is messy. I spread up my bed. Look at my bed. Keisha was laying in my bed because she watched Nyla. I clean up the floor. I vacuum everything. Look what Nyla's doing. Actually, I just moved some of her toys before I picked up the camera. I don't know if it's just me. Like right now I have so much stuff on my dresser and this is bothering me. Ooh, I need to show you guys something that I got for my birthday. It was actually a late gift. But I got these roses from Ziggy. These roses are actually from Rose Forever. Shout out to Rose Forever. So I got these roses for my birthday, guys. Look at this. I got Forever roses. This was part of his birthday gift. Shout out to Rose Forever for hooking this up. Make sure you guys go and check out their page. They actually have some great, beautiful pieces. I have the square one right here, but I believe I went on their website after and they do have like different sizes, and they have like circle ones, different shapes, a lot of different colors that you can choose from as well. I really love this. Like, they feel so soft. It just looks so realistic, and I love that, you know, like the Forever Rose. You can keep them for forever. I actually have a discount code I'm gonna link on the screen if you guys are interested in checking them out, as well as check out the description box because everything will always be in the description box. But yeah, tell me these aren't beautiful, guys. I just love. Look at this one now. But wow, it's so pretty. Yeah, you like it? Wow. Now touch this part. Wow. Nice. Oh, you're hugging it? You're so funny. You're so funny. But yeah.
You know, walnuts.
Huh?
Potatoes?
The potatoes?
Oh, walnuts.
You see your face how it's dirty? Say bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Say goodnight.
No.
No? You're too much.
Ew.
Yellow.
Ew.
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 What's ew?
Ew.
What is so ew?
Oh, it's it. Wow, you did it. Ew. Oh, black.
Black. Good girl.
Oh, what was it? What is it?
Green.
Yo, fama. Long time no soon. Wagwan. Long time no probably not see me though. I fly out, man, me ain't there, you know. Just forward back in my place. You see, pray. A joke, man. But they are seeing me. They are seeing me, man, a long time. I think from Nisha birthday. That's it. Roughly from around then time, I mean, they know like one video. But on my face, girl. Bush up and star, like. Rough. All heap of things are going, like. All heap of little progress I make, but at the same time, and all heap of things. What I may tell Nisha say right now, we have to go take all that one of them weekend and just do some things. But this man was going, Corona kind of kicking back again. And start going with a bag of things. So it's like me, I say, oh, you can like that kind of mash up the fire plan when we draw up still. You know? But we are only putting for kind of squeeze on in pan. You see me? You're gonna know I go on down pan the lows. You see me? I just go on panel every day. You see me? So I actually just forward in left work from about 4 o'clock and just reach my yard at 7 o'clock. See pre. Work life. Yo, me never work out. Like, me work hard when me dey a yard. But like, if you get up 4 o'clock in the morning and left out go work and then reach back a yard like 5, 6, 7 o'clock, like, come on. And then by the time I get little food eat and chill little bit, do little videos and something, like 9, 10 o'clock, 8 o'clock, so it's like literally I get 4 hours sleep. Like, if I tell you the truth, me literally get 4 hours sleep. Just 4 hours. And I get up and I'm gone again. But it's like, you have to do. You see me, because when I come back and come sit down and just like, sit down just so. You see me, I can't do it. It's like, I go get, I don't know, I not go feel like myself. Come, let's go bed. Let's go bed. No? Here. Here. Let's go. Wow. So, come in. Go get Nyla a quick shower. And come back. Come back, me chat back to you a little bit more, you see me? Misha! Who's that? Who's that? T-mode. T-mode.
That scare you?
No. Yo, Nyla is getting so big, yo. Just me, like.
Too big.
I gotta tell people now. Yeah. But team pampas.
So y'all, usually when Ziggy comes home, like, you know, the evenings are supposed to be his. But I keep telling him, I'm like, do a routine with Nyla. But usually when he comes home, he's like either tired or like trying to like do what he gotta do. Cause some days he do come home late. I've been telling you to do a routine with her. Watch him. I'll get my hard working man all up posing and ear and sing. Let me get your baby. What happened right here?
Take care of it,
Y'all don't mind his hair, man. His helmet, everything just, yeah. Do you know you should trim and done? Are you dumb? You should just trim your hair and done. You've been thinking about it since like forever.
We have to get up like at 5 o'clock in the morning.
5
4
in the
o'clock.
morning, guys. 4. But you're doing good. I'm so proud of you. You come here and you do up your thing, boy. You didn't come here and lazy up yourself, you know?
But I mean, I just can't soap up in here. Yo, man, I put the keep on a minute here. I'll make it.
I think she hit her face on the camera. Sorry, Mama, sorry. Okay, sorry. Let me leave them to their his duty. I'm about to run to the mailbox actually. My jacket. Actually, we'll take out some stuff first. Cause yo, the one thing with Ziggy is like he literally will come in here and just dash on anything, like mismatch up everything. Okay, so I'm gonna run to the mailbox. Whoa, my TV is so dirty. I'm just taking that in. I'm about to run to the mailbox. Actually, I'm gonna leave you guys because Shanique sent me something, and I actually got another package. I'm gonna show you guys. So BRB. Okay. Right.
Come. Say yo. So. Come. Yo, Nyla. Yes, when Nisha, I get Nyla ready. I want a simplest thing. You see, if I put on Nyla clothes, be it Nyla or comb Nyla here. Bro. Come. Let's see what I talk about.
The hair now. I just give her a tablet and she
Come. Stay here.
I feel like Nyla's always been like you with you like that since she was small.
Boo boo, ew.
Ew. Ziggy. You guys see how Ziggy's bright? Put the boogers on my hand. Where's the towel?
Hey, come. Yeah. Hey, me box with the lotion. So yo, I don't know if Nisha sure know what go on already, but yo, I like that box.
I know, right?
Big up Rose Forever. Yo, it's when Valentines Day come. Hey man, on the run. On the check out that link here. Is it even don't know what to get? On the just check out that link here. Rose Forever. Anything you know want the over there. I'm not have to worry about now. So look at what. I'll be gentle.
Yes, be gentle with my beautiful. Close it, close it, close it.
This
Yo,
is so nice.
just make this light just beam on it. You guys, look how beautiful this is. This is.
Wow.
So this
I
was.
should have gotten purple.
Oh, you should have got. You could have chose what color you wanted.
That, yo, also, yo, there's a lot of other options and colors there. It's not only red, as long as no roses are red. And I don't remember those. But
Violets are blue.
Wally Park color over there. And the quality of this feel good.
I know, right? That's what I was saying. I'm like,
Nice.
I literally, it looks so realistic. That's what I love about it.
And you
And
know, so first when I come in, they try to take out it, but then me I say, no, why not damage it?
yeah, I love it. It's beautiful. You're gonna put a couple $100s on the roses though.
True.
This right here is an ideal gift just because it's one of those gifts where it will last forever. It will last a while.
Makwengas.
Makwengas and
Makwengas.
quengas.
May I tell you something? You see, if you don't want to make it even more special, you see perfume one woman like, and just nice up it.
That's what you did to me, eh?
Nice up it.
That's what you did to me?
You see me? Boodoo-doop.
Let me show you. There's another rose right here on my rose right here on my dresser that Ziggy got me for Valentine's Day. This is also a forever rose. So I guess I'm just adding it to the collection.
Yeah, this one was nice also.
Yeah.
I thought this was gonna be like more goldish.
This reminds me of the Beauty and the Beast type. I love it though.
It's nice. It's something you can have forever.
Yeah.
Yeah. Golden rose.
Yeah.
So, you know, them liquid thing you're counting about said.
Yo, the one.
Boss heads. You see me?
But the one thing I love about like the forever roses is that it lasts forever. It's not like your typical roses where it's like you
So
gotta throw
this
it out.
disrespect. This lasts forever. And
That's what I'm
and crush up
saying. Exactly. It's exactly what I'm saying.
it. Don't disrespect.
Look, I all wrote the date and everything on it. What's wrong with you?
Wow.
I love it.
So that means that if you come to one point and you not get you nothing, you just kick it back and just smile same way.
As we go on, we'll remember. Watcha. Babe, calm down. Oh. Bro, you guys, take your eyes off Nella for 2 seconds and she's in something she's not supposed to be in.
That's why I'm not like me.
Mom, I hope you don't need your puffer right now. You're not gonna take it.
Come here.
So you guys hear Nyla how she's coughing. This is why we have to literally watch her when she's running up and down and all that stuff. Because
Want water?
the doctor told me like if she starts running up and down and I know she's coughing, I should give her puffer.
There.
You guys hear
Have
her?
some. Have some.
Drink some water, mama. And she doesn't like to take her
Have
puffer. But anyways,
Here.
we're just gonna honestly be chilling for the rest of the night. If Ziggy wanna come back on, he can come on. But I know this is where I'm ending the vlog. I need to go wash my hair.
So you know, so I go be a though, cause as I told you earlier, it's like me not really getting the time, and then 11 o'clock sleep. You see me so? Now I just have to be there and see if I can.
Did you try to squeeze that?
Yeah, I try. Be there and relax and see if we can get some real sleep. At 4 o'clock in the morning again.
So yeah, guys, the vlog is ending right here. You know, we outies. Be up for your guys' self. Thanks for always tuning in and checking in and hanging with the newbie fam. We really appreciate it as per usual. Don't forget to you saw your auto order. He is so rude. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys are notified when we post a vlog. Shout out to you guys for always watching the vlogs, even if they're not entertaining or if they're boring. Big up your guys self because you know we really appreciate it. Every view counts. And thank you for always leaving comments. I may not respond to every comment, but I will heart the comments. That's still showing you that I notice the comment, I see the comments, I recognize the comment, I'm acknowledging the comments. So big up your guys self. Have a great night, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Watcha. Come show them your back. Flex one time. Flex one time. Your back. You're so.
Eh? Oh, back.
Hey. Later, guys.
Yeah, we cry. Them not care for you. You're alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on.